One thing that I've noticed about SmartLab is it is very student-led. You end up seeing those natural leaders arise with those types of students who are getting it quicker. That's when there's certain lessons in the project starters that will allow for them to either continue on where the project is supposed to stop for everyone else. SmartLab has done this really cool design called Extend Yourself, where you can continue to do different projects along the lines of what you were doing before, but let's ramp it up a little bit. And I've had to do that for certain kids and certain partnerships because they're like, we're done. And I look over and it's perfect. But I'm like, okay, we still have 2 days. How about let's try this extend yourself version? And they get after it, but it allows for those students who it may be 4 people in your class, it may be 1 person in your class, it may be 10 people in your class who are just that advanced. It fosters their learning as well to grow and accelerate all their types of different ways that they're already thinking and pushes them to go forward and learn more.